All right, presenting the Phillip system that I'd advertised in down here in my man cave, alongside my quad modified system that I have here, quad 44 303 amp, and right now I've disconnected the turntable from my quad system and hooked it up into the back of the preamp of the Phillip system. Preamp is the PA1000B and the tuner is the PT60 or PT60B, I guess. So there you have it. It's hooked up in my system rack here, where I've had it for quite a while here. What we'll do is we'll power it up. Oh, that's on a switch circuit here, and then Phillips. It should kick right into radio, I believe, the tuner. I've just got a simple T antenna right now hooked up to it, a 300 ohm antenna on the back. I'm in the basement, so even despite being in the basement, we've got a strong station here. And there you go. All static free controls here. We've got balance, treble, bass is thumping, we've got subsonic filter for the turntable, mute loudness, which bumps it up at low listening levels. I don't have a tape in the tape loop, even though I've got a cassette deck. I didn't bother ripping that out because that's hooked up to my other system there. But I do have a CD player hooked in. So we'll bump that into it. There we go. Playing on my nice AR38S's. There we go. We'll play the turntable. I've confirmed that both Photo 1 and Photo 2 do work. So I believe I'm on Phono 1 right now. I also have the balance hooked up backwards because when I went and plugged the things back and forth, I hooked up the pre-out main ends backwards, so it's just opposite. Anyway, it works fine. And Phono 1. There we have. We'll reach the beach there. Let's bump it over here, get something a little more bumping on here. That's the turntable playing. Subsonic on. See very little driver movement. Subsonic off. There actually is pretty quiet rumble on the turntable. There you go. View meters. Go to the So you got speaker A, speaker B, so you can put up to 4 speakers on it. And of course your power amp or your power button. A few little marks to note. I mean, it's an older amps or older preamp system, so there's a a little bit of a little scratch on the back of the case. It's nothing untowards. On the back of on the top of the preamp, there's a few little scratches that were colored in, it looks like, by the previous owner. The amp looks really nice and really jams pretty good. And there you go. Let me know if you still want to proceed. Thanks Thanks for watching.